Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the most monumental channel here on YouTube. Yes, Let's Trade Live, where we talk about the stock market, take a look at the news, and we even do some technical analysis. Holy mofongo, ladies and gentlemen, today, what a day indeed. Did you make some? Did you do some? Share it with us in the chat room or in the comment section. You know how it is. You have a golden nuggets? Well, go ahead and do it, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and do that. And ladies and gentlemen, you may be wondering today the most important question. Even Shui asked me earlier today. Exactly, Shui. What the heck happened today in the stock market, and what the heck has happened with Tesla? So don't go just yet, because me and Shui, we are gonna find out. Don't forget that the videos are for entertainment and learning purposes. Reminding everybody that we have an Amazon gift card giveaway coming up pretty soon.
Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like this video. Do a Hadouken. Do a
Fatality.
to the like button. Come on, guys. Come on, members. Give me some Hadoukens, holy mofongos on coins, and whatever you want to do, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to share with your grandmama and your grandpapa to do a
Monster kill.
And remember, the videos are for entertainment and learning purposes. What a day today, huh, Randy?
Oh, yeah.
Man, oh man, don't forget that the videos are for entertainment and learning purposes. I gotta remind you all, once again, that we do this every day, 6:30 a.m. Central Time, p.m. Central Time. Let's remove the image. I have a lot to cover, so be patient with me. Submit your favorite symbols, and we will get to them once we are done with the news. Let's go ahead and get started with none other than Bitcoin. Chewy, exactly. So let's go ahead and find out. Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, today alone going to $16,781. Doing a show can indeed, my friends. Let me make sure that I remove everything that I don't need in this computer. There you go. Now we should be good. Now we should be good. Now we should be good. And looking at Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, a bullish engulfing candle. Hopefully everything is looking right. Hopefully everything is looking better. Let me check something out, guys. My computer is a little bit slower today than usual. To make sure that everything is good. But look at that bullish engulfing for Bitcoin. My friends, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes, we are doing great. We're doing amazing. Let me make sure that we are good over here too. And whoa, what the heck? We should be good. We should be good. Everything is fine. Everything is fine right now, ladies and gentlemen. The sound is a bit scratchy. Let me see. Let me see. Check, check, check. Actually sounds good for me, my friend. I don't know. I'm testing over here. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Bitcoin bullish engulfing with a wick on top, going to the upside, 16,800. Are we gonna go to 17,188? I think we can definitely get there, right, Randy?
Oh, yeah.
Patience required, but we are getting there, guys. I think we're gonna be heading to that $20,000 level that we've been saying for almost a year. Holy mofongo, even more. But ladies and gentlemen, hopefully everything is good now with the sound. Hopefully everything is good with the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's keep on kicking booty. We got some beautiful news that we gotta review, ladies and gentlemen. And let's start with this one. Recovery rally holds a cyclical stock lead through day on vaccine data. Ladies and gentlemen, late buying, including a spike at the last minute, came through again for Wall Street to complete the recovery trade. 1, 2, 3. Dow 1.6%, first S&P 1.2%, and second Nasdaq 0.8%, the third. Industrial recovery plays Boeing and Honeywell led the Dow to a new all-time highs. It ended fewer than 50 points below 30K. The S&P was also boosted by industrials, energy, financials, and basic materials, and on enthusiasm about Moderna's vaccine. And we already reviewed that this morning, so check out the link or the video in our clips. The broader market also shrugged off new lockdown measure in New Jersey and most of California, reverting to the most restrictive COVID tier. The Nasdaq lagged but still gained. Mixed performances from the Fat 5 mega caps, with Alphabet and Amazon barely in the green after the late surge, was countered by strength in chips. NVDA, Micron, and AMD benefited from positive commentary, and Qualcomm getting permission to sell 4G chips to Huawei. Energy 7% higher, kept charging ahead and is now more than 20% above its November 6 close. Crude futures rose 3%. Interest rates didn't have the recovery reaction that might be expected, though. The 10-year Treasury yield rose less than 2 basis points to 0.91. And ladies and gentlemen, before I move forward, I have a lot of articles that I want to review. I even have an article that says Biden meets virtually with major CEOs. You know what? Let's review it right now. Why not? Biden meets virtually with major CEOs. A virtual meeting was held today with President-elect Joe Biden and various CEOs and labor union leaders. General Motors CEO Mari Barra, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, Target CEO Brian Cornell, and Gap CEO Sonia Singhal were joined in the meeting by union leaders like AFL-CIO President Richard Trumka, CEIU President Mary Kay Henry, UAW leader Rory Gamble, AFS-CME President Lee Saunders, and UCFW President Mark Perron. The purpose of the meeting was to discuss building the economy back. Biden has been advocating controlling the rapid spread of COVID-19 as a measure to see the economy bounce back quicker. In general, analysts have been viewing the economic recovery more favorably with a split government than under a blue sweep. President Trump hasn't conceded the election, ladies and gentlemen. And from all of this, the only one that I want to review is Microsoft. But let me see, do I have an article about Microsoft? I actually don't have any article about Microsoft, but I'm gonna add it to my list. And today's list is a little bit long, guys, so be patient with me, please. We got a lot to cover. What are we gonna cover? You may be wondering, David, what are you gonna cover today? Can you review this and that and this and that? Well, let's see if any of these and that's are actually in the list. IBIO, Co-Diagnostics, Alterity, Tilray, NNDM, and NanoX. I'm just going to review the charts. The same goes for Microsoft, Amazon, Twitter, NVIDIA, AMD, IBM, Qualcomm, BigCommerce, HBO, Hulu. We're going to talk about sports betting, which DraftKings is all obviously there. Airbnb, we're going to talk a little bit about it. Uber, obviously. What about Tesla, ladies and gentlemen? We got to take a look at Tesla. What about BLNK, ladies and gentlemen? Another one. Fisker, Costco, Genius Brands, Beyond Meat, Chipotle, Tyson, Coty, and Berkshire Hathaway. With that said, I just want to go ahead and say hi to everybody in the chat room. And let's see who we got in the room. Before I get there, let's leave Bitcoin. Woohoo! Bitcoin doing amazing. Great, great, great. Holy mofongo indeed, my friends. Look at this. beautiful gains. So, Cal, welcome back, my friend. Good
Boom
to see you.
shakalaka!
Marcenchi, bienvenido.
shakalaka!
¿Qué pasa, Melaza? Good to see you, my friend. Hopefully, the sound is better. Hopefully, my scratchy voice is not bothering anybody.
Bruh.
Patrick Ciaretta, I'm blue. Dabba dee dabba die. Dabba dee dabba.
Boom
Boom
shakalaka!
chakalaka to you, my friend. Good to see you. I'm doing great, my friend. Just working evenings at the moment. How's evening on your end, Patrick? Patrick says pretty good. Was managing work and trading at the same time. Pretty tiring. Dude, it sounds just like me. I was like, holy mofongo, guys. I gotta get stuff out. I gotta get to the next level. Obviously, to do the videos. We got JBC presente.
Boom
Wepa,
shakalaka!
wepa. Let's see who else. Oh my goodness, we got the stocks for life.
Boom
Welcome
shakalaka!
back, my friend. Follow him on his Instagram. Feliz Comunal Hombres. You got it, my friend. We're going to review Tesla. It's going to be a little bit further down the road. I want to see everybody here connected first. But we are definitely going to talk about Tesla and the new updates. Ladies and gentlemen, who else do we got? Who else we got over here? Peletele Bui.
Boom shakalaka!
Guys, gotta follow him on his YouTube. Peletele Bui, always making some jokes and kicking booty, my friend. Award Data Man.
Boom
Welcome
shakalaka!
back, my friend. Bienvenido una vez más. Thoughts on SDC after earnings.
Bruh.
We are gonna review, but welcome to the channel, Extortion.
Boom
You
shakalaka!
can definitely take a look at it. Let me just add it to my list, my friend. And guys, be patient with me. There's a lot to cover, so I'm gonna go very, very fast. So, Cal, for Golden Nuggets, follow Stocks for Life for them Golden Nuggets. Exactly. Let's go ahead and move forward, ladies and gentlemen. With the first one, I know. Where's Jason Park? I know G always is asking about IBIO. Should I just wait? Yeah, let's go ahead and wait because, guys, we already reviewed the most important thing this morning regarding the biosector. So I'm going to move the biosector to the end. Let's go ahead and do that because I want to get Tesla to right in the middle. It just takes some time, little girl, in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything. Microsoft is now, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go ahead and add it to the stream market. MSFT. Guys, look at that. Bitcoin heading to the 17K. Beautiful. Holy mofongo. Guys, we just got a subscription from Extortion. Welcome, my friend. Like your name. Hopefully, you're doing amazing. Let's go ahead and take a look over here. So, Microsoft starting the day or the week, should I say. The weekly candle is starting bullish. I'm liking Microsoft for the long term. You already know this, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Not a lot to say about Microsoft other than I'm liking the 4-hour bullish engulfing. A lot of consolidation today. I think we're going to revisit 225, maybe even 227. Oh, espérate. I think there was something about Microsoft that I had to review. Yes. Let me see something real quick, guys, because I remember that I read that Sony will be kicking more booty than Microsoft. Let's see. Was it here? Actually, I think it was an article that I wanted to read. And holy mofongo, Patrick Ciaretta blessing us with a super sticker. Really appreciate it, my friend. Thank you very, very much. Guys, where is... Oh, right. I think we actually reviewed it over here. Let me see. Microsoft. Where the heck is Microsoft's article, guys? Give me a second. Oh, yeah. So we reviewed this one this morning. With new consoles, gaming industry facing questions, staying power or a flash in the pandemic pan. So I believe that Microsoft has a lot of bullish momentum in the video game industries. Keep in mind that Microsoft's industry is not only the gaming industry, right? It's just that now we are starting to think about the subscription model. So Microsoft may win a little bit more from Sony in that area, but I think Sony is going to kick some booty. Now, talking about Sony, let me see if there's anything about Sony over here. SNE, ladies and gentlemen. Not like I said, not a lot of news. The only thing that we got is over here. I think that Sony will kick some more booty. Microsoft doing well, 0.33, ending the candle 217.23, $217.23. And then Sony, let's go ahead and review. SNE continuing with the bullish momentum. $90.45, guys. I think we're going to continue with the upside. Definitely looking for that $100 level, and I think we can get there. What do you think, Randy? Do you think we will get to $100?
Oh, yeah!
Man, Randy, thank you very much for your insight. Now, let's review Amazon, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at Amazon. AMZN. Let's go ahead and add a stream mark. Let's see over here, ladies and gentlemen. Amazon's Black Friday sales start November 20. Includes $30 off newest Echo. Amazon announces that its Black Friday sales will kick off on Friday, November 20th and goes through November 27. The company will also be dropping daily deals during the period. Amazon has already released the sale prices for its own devices, which include $69.99. I knew it. For the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, an $80 discount. Check out the full list of Amazon here. Guys, how am I able to share this? I'm not able to share this with all of you. Let me see. I can be able to share this, but let me see. What do we have over here? Oh, it's Nike. I really need to send this to all of you. Let me just copy this link. Okay, I want to make sure that I'm able to share it with all of you. But Amazon recently guided fourth quarter revenue of $112 to $121 billion, with CEO Jeff Bezos saying more customers than ever were shopping early ahead of this unprecedented holiday season. Amazon, and guys, I did move our biosector till the end. So IBIO, I will review. G, I know you're here. G, good evening.
Boom shakalaka!
But let's start with AMZN. Guys, still a lot of consolidation. 31.31 is the current price. Amazon today went up 0.07%. I am still bullish on it. If there is any retracement, as I said many times, I will capitalize on the opportunity. But right now, a lot of sideways movement for Amazon. And for me, in the long term, for Amazon, it can actually go to 4,500 or 5,000. Let's see what it will happen, guys. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for any move from Amazon. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this one. Let me see if I can share that link with all of you guys. So give me a second. Let me see if I am able to do it. And guys, what a day. What a day indeed. Patrick Ciareta, he said over here, you deserve it, D. Made us a fortune today. Wow. Goodness gracious. Hopefully you are doing amazing. Hopefully we will get, that music video for Bubblegum out pretty soon. with these earnings, come on, man. We should be doing good. They missed earnings. Yes, they missed earnings. IBIO did miss earnings, but we're going to review. I just want to go ahead and share this link with all of you. The beautiful thing about being live with us over here, guys. Sharing that link with all of you from Amazon. Let's continue forward. Let's move forward. It's not left. It's not right. It's forward with Twitter. Let me go ahead and add a stream mark. Twitter names hacker much as new head of security. Huh?
What?
Yes, Twitter has named a noted hacker to take over a new role as head of security, with the company looking to shore up its engineering as it faces growing regulatory scrutiny. The company named Peter Satko, otherwise known by the name Much, to the role and has given him a broad mandate to shape its structure and practices. He tells Reuters he'll examine information security, site integrity, physical security, platform integrity, which starts to touch on abuse and manipulation of the platform and engineering. Satko most recently oversaw security for Stripe and had previously worked on special projects for Google. He answers to CEO Jack Dorsey and will take over key security functions after a 45 to 60-day review. Obviously, guys, Twitter. What else? What other developers they need? It's a freaking wall that you post things and they're based on they're stored in a database. Anyways, guys, it's a website. Okay, it's nothing amazing about it. It just does require a lot of security. He answers to CEO Jack Dorsey, as we said. The most notable Twitter security incident came this summer when employees were tricked into enabling access to internal tools that gave attackers access to high-profile accounts, including Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Joe Biden. With that said, let's review TWTR. Twitter, the biggest one-thing website ever. And guys, let's see. Twitter still on an uptrend, $42.73, negative 1.72%. For me, Twitter, if it goes down, it could be a blessing. But for me, Twitter is a long-term investment. For some reason, guys, this website is so popular that even the conservatives, no, let's put it the conservatives, even the people from QAnon, even from the people from Trump side of things are actually enjoying Twitter only up to the content moderation that they have been giving out. But guys, you know what? Content moderation is needed. I think it is needed, but how is the hardest question ever. For me, that's the problem with social media companies. It's the content moderation. And you know what? It's giving a little bit of headaches to Twitter. We went to $53, went back down to $43. I still expect some more upside until we break this trend line. Once we break this trend line, we're going down. That's it. There's not a lot to say about Twitter, guys. I want to move forward because I got a lot to cover. Okay, so be patient with me. Oh, but David, you don't do analysis. Well, my friend, come over here to the live, ask us the question, and we'll be glad to reply. NVIDIA announces 80 gigabyte AI supercomputing GPU. NVIDIA stock reverses earlier losses. These came out at 10:32 a.m. NVIDIA announces DGX Station 880 gigabyte CPU, which powers the HGX AI supercomputing platform. The new A100 doubles the 840 gigabytes GPU's high bandwidth memory and delivers over 2 terabytes per second of memory bandwidth. Achieving state-of-the-art results in HPC and AI research requires building the biggest models, but these demand more memory capacity and bandwidth than ever before, says Brian Cantasaro, VP of Applied Deep Learning Research at NVIDIA. The A180 gigabytes GPU provides double the memory of its predecessor, which was introduced just 6 months ago, and breaks the 2 terabyte per second barrier, enabling researchers to tackle the world's most important scientific and big data challenges. The new GPU is now available in the NVIDIA DGX 800 and NVIDIA DGX Station 800 systems, which were also announced today and are expected to ship this quarter. Partners providers for the systems include Dell, Lenovo, and HPE. NVIDIA also announces the Mellanox 400G InfiniBand, a fully in-network acceleration platform for exascale AI computing. And guys, we know that NVIDIA went up, but I gotta continue with the news from NVIDIA, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let's see over here. Espérate. Hey, David, can you drop me a fat hell yeah? I don't know if fat, but
Hell yeah!
I can give you another one.
Hell yeah!
And let's see. Patrick Ciareta is asking for CLDR. Don't worry, my friend. I will add it to the list. I don't know where to review it. Maybe if you are a little bit patient with me, we can review it at the end. I don't know. Let's see. But my friend, once again.
Hell yeah!
Did we do good today?
Hell yeah!
Did you do good today?
Hell yeah!
Fungo, guys. NVIDIA stock gains after Susquehanna, Sashbanana price target boost ahead of earnings. Ahead of the third quarter earnings report on Wednesday, guys. Keep that in mind. Earnings for NVIDIA Wednesday. Susquehanna raises NVIDIA's price target from 560 to 610 and maintains a positive rating. Analyst Christopher Rowland acknowledges the possibility of shortages for Ampere in C3Q20, but he encourages investors to look past the near-term supply disruption and toward the long-term multidimensional growth story that should continue to play out in the C4Q, early 2021, and beyond. Rowland cites evidence showing that NVIDIA is increasing aftermarket GPU market share and ASPs. And let's see the target, 610 from Susquehanna. Let's see over here, guys. NVIDIA. Things to consider when we're reviewing, ladies and gentlemen, the target. And remember, we will have earnings on Wednesday. The dailies looks very bullish to me. So I'm going to go ahead and add Susquehanna's target. 600. Oh, so our target basically. Holy mofongo, guys. We had 612. Well, I'll add the 610. Modify it for Susquehanna. But see, our analysis, I think these guys are copying us, guys. I think they are. And right now, $541.45. Keep in mind that we will have some news on Wednesday. Actually, earnings. Wednesday, okay. Let's add it here. Keeping in mind, I don't like entering before some earnings. I like waiting after earnings. I don't know if you guys saw Fubo TV. Last week, I wanted to get in at 15 pre-earnings. You know what it did? It went to 19. It went to 20. I was like, oh, man, I missed the opportunity. Okay, that's okay. You know what happened? It went freaking down. It went to 16 once again. But anyways, we gotta take a look at Fubo TV as well. I can't add it, but guys, NVIDIA can do the same. I don't like playing earnings. I don't like risking my money like that. I prefer just waiting a little bit more for entries, but I think NVIDIA has the right structure and the right opportunity to kick some booty. Right, Randy? Do you think that we're going to kick some booty?
Oh, yeah!
I know we will. So, from NVIDIA, I want to go ahead and take up and finish all of the chip makers, and I gotta review Apple, guys. Now that Apple is becoming another chip maker because they don't do it. Anyways, AMD, ladies and gentlemen, AMD is the symbol to review. I mean, they're doing, right, the architecture. They're not replicating or manufacturing it. AMD upgraded at Cleveland Research on positive server PC checks. Wow.
Oh, yeah!
Holy mofongo! We have another super chat. Shout out to Patrick. Keep it cool, people. Keep it cool. Thank you for that. My friend, thank you very, very much. Will NVIDIA go up tomorrow? It can, but it has some earnings coming up. Patrick, what is your saying? What is the saying that you say that you provide us? Buy the rumor, sell the news? Gee, that's what I think it will happen. It will go up, earnings go down. Otherwise, let it continue going up. That's why I'm a long-term investor in tech. But anyways, going back to AMD. Saying the firm's checks now indicate higher server and PC market share in 2021, Cleveland Research upgrades Advanced Micro devices from neutral to buy. Analyst Chandler Converse expects fourth quarter results to beat top and bottom line estimates because the checks show healthy PC server and console demand. Earlier this month, AMD backed upgrades from Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo in the same week, citing valuation and PC and HPC gains. AMD shares are up 1.8%. This was out at 12:29 p.m. Eastern Time. Today's move is giving AMD a little more breathing room about its 50-day simple moving average. And let's go ahead and review AMD. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Exactly, Patrick. Exactly. Whoa, boombastic. We got Edouard Murati.
Boom shakalaka!
Holy mofongo, Patrick. Edouard, we are doing amazing. What a great day. AMD, ladies and gentlemen. AMD today from 87. Actually, we went up today, guys. 2.82%. I'm still waiting for AMD to go to the upside. There is great potential. 8% still waiting for that. But I think we're going to kick some booty. I think we're going to rock it as well. Because if you look over here, yeah, I think we should be good. With this trend line over here, we're breaking it. And I think there is great potential for AMD. I just want to see when the earnings are coming up. Let me see. There actually doesn't say anything here. I got to check out when the AMD earnings are coming up. Doesn't say over here. So if anybody has the earnings date for AMD, I will highly appreciate that, my friends. But with that said, I just want to move forward, guys. From AMD, I want to take a look at IBM, and this is only the headline that I'm going to review because I'm not so big on IBM. I actually invest my money in somewhere else. But IBM acquires SAP consulting partner Truqua. So IBM, after buying Truqua, let's see how that impacted the share price. And actually going up, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. AMD, as I said, IBM, when we were down at 106 or even over here at 99, this was an opportunity. I just don't love the structure from IBM. I think there are some other things better. We are in a downward channel, so we're waiting for a trendline break to confirm minimum that we're going to go to the upside to, for example, 134 or even 159 or even a little bit higher. But I just want to keep it clean. I want to keep it simple with my support and resistance with IBM. I don't love IBM, let me tell you. Even when Steve Jobs made that commercial, it made it clearly to me that IBM was another company, okay? Let's go ahead and review Qualcomm. Oh, AMD earning is January 26. AMD released earning October 27. Oh, thank you guys. So January 26, 2021. Thank you for that. By the way, Patrick, I'm loving the blue. I'm loving the blue. I'm blue. So let's see over here, guys. Qualcomm shares continue gains after receiving 4G supply license for Huawei. Qualcomm shares are still seeing green from yesterday's news that the company received U.S. permission to sell 4G chips to Huawei. The company didn't specify what 4G products it can sell to Huawei, only that the products were related to mobile devices. Qualcomm still has other licenses pending with the government. In the past, Huawei only used Qualcomm chips in its lower-end smartphone models, relying on in-house chips for the higher-end devices. But the U.S. supplier ban put pressure on Huawei's production efforts, and its pre-ban inventory stock could run out in early 2021. But the 4G supply license isn't expected to provide a major tailwind for Qualcomm since the 5G shift is happening. Micron has also applied for supply licenses. Huawei accounted for about 10% of the company's revenue. With that said, guys, let's review Qualcomm and Micron. Why not? Qualcomm. Sugar do 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 do. Oh, honey, honey. Guys, Qualcomm kicking booty to the upside, breaking resistance and closing today at, what is this? 150? Nah, let's see. Did we get there? Papo, 149. We're kicking booty, bro. We're kicking booty. Mira para allá, man. We're doing amazing. If there's any retracement to 132, that will be fine. But I'm loving it. I'm loving Qualcomm for the long term, as you already know. Now we're in a very, 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 very overbought area. So if there's any retracement, that could be a blessing. So let's wait for that in the weekly chart. And then from Qualcomm, let's review Micron, which is MU. See, me too. The blue matches my iPhone 12 Pro. Ooh, congratulations, my friend. Getting a little bit of a power up over there. Micron taking... Mira para allá, my friend. Patrick, we've been reviewing this one for quite a while. Eduan, you know that we've been reviewing Micron and technology for a little bit, and look at that. Already $61.86. I think we're going to be heading to that $70 level. Then $75. I'm liking Micron. The same thing goes over here. We are overbought in the daily, and we're getting close to the weekly. So I think the weekly will have a little bit of more time to shine. So 63, 64, 70, and 75. Good price points for this one. Let's go ahead and move forward to Apple. I don't have any article about Apple over here, but let me see if there's anything that we need to keep an eye on. Apple. Ladies and gentlemen, actually, yeah, this article I want to review at the end, but yeah, Berkshire Hathaway actually sheds 36 million of Apple shares, guys, okay? Let me check out Apple. AAPL. Apple, my friends, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes, the daily. For Apple is bullish, 0.87%. I'm actually bullish on it. I'm waiting for a break of a resistance to go to the next level, which is 125. After that, I'm still waiting for 130s. And my long term is 150. Longer term is 175, guys. So there is great potential for the daily, my friends. Not bad at all. By the way, guys, if you want to join our Discord community, check out the join button below. If you can't see it, use a VPN. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
It says join very, very big. Guys, Apple looks very bullish to me. I don't know about you. It's looking delicious, nutritious. I think we're going to kick some more booty. From Apple, let's review BigCommerce. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes, BigCommerce, Big C. Don't get it confused, Chewy. Please behave. Please. Por favor, por favor. BigCommerce stock gains after tourist upgrade ahead of very robust holiday season. Citing the 2 consecutive quarters of revenue and ARR growth, Truist upgrades BigCommerce from hold to buy with a $95 price target. Holy mofongo, analyst Terry Tillman says the risk-reward balance has become more appealing and advises investors to buy ahead of the very robust holiday season for e-commerce. Tillman expects to see improvements in enterprise business growth, partner monetization, and Big C's international expansion efforts. BigCommerce shares are up 1.6% pre-market to $67.88, and Big C today. Where is Lin Lee? Lin Lee. BigCommerce going to 65. 65. But you know what? We are looking like we are doing that double bottom. I think it's doing great. It's not bad at all, my friend. Wait, what? Eduam, are you talking about... No, Eduam, you're an investor, dude. You're not even kicking booty or a rock star. No. No for you, my friend. None for you.
Bruh.
If you want a discount, go to the other YouTubers. Let's go and move forward, guys. From BigCommerce, I'm waiting from BigCommerce to break the trend line. Still patiently waiting. I think it makes sense. And by the way, Edwin, if it makes sense, what about those BLNK calls that we did today? That should be enough to give you a discount. Let's go ahead and move forward with HBO. HBO, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. Paste and search. Let me add a stream marker. HBO Max arriving on Amazon Fire TV platform after 6 months. And guys, treat me nice today because I'm having some issues. But anyways, HBO Max, AT&T is coming to Amazon Fire TV, closing a gap that's been open since the high-stakes streaming service launched in the spring. HBO Max will start rolling out to Fire TV streaming devices, Fire TV Edition smart televisions, and Fire tablets tomorrow. At launch, current subscribers of HBO through Amazon's Prime Video channels will be able to log in into the HBO Max app using their Amazon credentials at no extra cost. The HBO app on Fire TV and Fire tablets will automatically update to become the HBO Max app. All HBO Max customers, however they came to the platform, can access it through supported Fire TV and Fire tablets using existing provider credentials. And those with voice remotes or pair Echo devices can say, "Alex, find HBO Max," or "Eduam, find HBO Max," to locate the service. Notably, HBO Max went to launch in May without support on Fire TV or on Roku, two of the key emerging gatekeepers to the streaming TV world. And predictably, the service has drawn some criticism for not drawing subscribers as quickly as other rivals in the past year, such as Disney+. The deal will provide an immediate bump to HBO Max, as Amazon has said it had about 5 million subs to HBO through Prime Video channels. Todd Spangler notes, but Roku is still out there with 46 million active accounts that don't yet have direct access to HBO Max. And I have to add over here, ladies and gentlemen, so AT&T, I gotta add Roku, and you know what? I'm gonna add Fubo TV so you guys can see the move. And ladies and gentlemen, AT&T, ladies and gentlemen, boom! We did go down, but not necessarily to the area that I wanted to see. I mean, it's all good. I'm not mad about that. And AT&T, $28.97. Let me look at the weekly. Weekly, oh, papo. This is easy. Easy peasy. We can go up 5% to $30.79. JP Morgan has a target a little bit higher, around 33, and Guggenheim at $38. That's 30%. Ladies and gentlemen, this is starting to look very, very good for me. I'm liking that daily, higher high, higher lows. I think we're going to kick some more booties for those dividends, guys. We've been doing amazing with AT&T. Right now, $28.97, and we cut it at 26. What about Roku, David? So Roku, let me add a stream marker. Roku today, $232. Guys, the break of a trend line. Espérate, let me show you something, guys. Break of the trend line to the upside. Going back down, retesting the last kiss, or doing a last kiss, and going back up. That's all I'm looking at with Roku. I think there's great momentum. If we look at the weekly, we can see that we had a lot of indecision last week, and we still need to review this higher high that we created, guys, at 255. I think we can definitely get there. And then let's do Fubo TV, since Fubo today was on fire. Ladies and gentlemen, Fubo TV, woo-hoo! Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, going up today alone 21%.
Monster kill.
That will cover 5 months, 5 years of membership. So go ahead and start being a rock star, my friend.
Hadouken!
Right, Randy?
Oh yeah!
Don't be over here asking for free stuff. Mira este que caripelao.
Bruh.
Come on, dude. 21%, ladies and gentlemen, doing amazing. We are kicking booty. Our analysis is doing amazing. Patrick Ciaretta actually opened our eyes on Fubo TV, so shout out to Patrick. Doing amazing. The break of our resistance over here, $12, ladies and gentlemen. And look at that beautiful thing. What happened, David, when the earnings came out? Let me show you real quick, guys. I wanted to get in last week, and I didn't. So I actually... No, Eduam, déjate de cosa, papo. Eduam wants free stuff. I gotta kick him out of the Discord, right? That's what's gonna happen if he wants to, I don't know, something like that. I'm kidding, Eduam. I'm kidding, or am I? I'm kidding, or am I? Ladies and gentlemen, Fubo TV going up to the upside to $20. And no, Eduam, you gotta fight for your freaking things. I don't give signals over here. I do this every day for free. And I'm gonna say, my friend, just keep kicking booty. You've been doing amazing. You've been doing great. You've been getting a lot of gains, right? Since you started watching this channel. Please stop, because I gotta finish the news. Fubo TV, ladies and gentlemen, we went up to $20 with the earnings. And I was like, no, I missed the opportunity to enter. But then I was like, nah, let me just wait a little bit more. And guys, we went down to $15, and now we are at $18. Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing amazing, doing great. And what else do I need to say, my friend? Doing gains. Big time indeed, Eduan. Big time indeed, Patrick. Let me know if you caught it. Oh, what a blessed day. What a blessed day. And now, let's go ahead and review Hulu. Hulu, my friends. Let's review over here. Hulu raises live TV price again. Up 18% to $64.99 a month, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Hulu, holy mofongo, guys. This is the new thing, and I think even Netflix is starting to knock on the door. The live TV price hikes march on as Hulu makes a move to raise its Hulu Plus live TV price again to $64.99 a month. That's up from a current $54.99 a month, about an 18% increase. It's set to go into effect December 18th. And for most consumers, it marks a third major price hike in just under 3 years, from $40 to $45, then $55 per month last December before the latest increase. No new channels are joining along with the price increase. And the move actually comes shortly after Hulu dropped the former Fox regional sports networks. But the move is of a piece with various increases made by the virtual MVPDs, the streaming services that have sprung up as live TV rivals to the old cable bundle. It puts Hulu basically at parity with YouTube TV, which has hiked prices a few times and is now at $65. AT&T TV Now raised prices across its plan. And Sling TV Dish raised prices for its packages $30 a month. And Fubo TV added Disney-owned channels and raised its price to $60 a month. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and review Disney. DIS. Disney, ladies and gentlemen, boom! But David, give me an opportunity. Man, if we don't do this, man, I don't know. I'm gonna stop doing the videos. If I get more comments like that, I'm gonna stop doing the videos, guys. But look at this beautiful upside. $153 is the next target. It's starting to look very, very good. We got a lot of targets, actually. 170 is the highest one from RBC. 178 is coming up. And I think Disney is doing amazing. I mean, they had to sacrifice the dividends for the shareholders. They sacrificed a lot of employees. They got laid off. But finally, Disney 144.67, and we are kicking booty, guys. Finally making moves. Our original entries over here are 100, 120, 110. Very, very nicely done for Disney. And following up over here, since we're in Fubo, we're Disney, we're doing, let me check over here. YouTube TV, Google. Let's do Google. Oh yeah, Google. And Google Alphabet, ladies and gentlemen, doing amazing as well. Look at that. The weekly blessing us. Let me see over here the daily. Wow, espérate, que revolú. What a mess. What a mess. Let me clean this, guys. And over here, ladies and gentlemen, looking good. 1781, and I think there's going to be more upside, reaching back to 1818 or 1936. Then after that, 2260. I think Alphabet is going to be a long-term investment. You already know this, guys. I should move forward. I'm not going to stick around on this same topic. I got a lot to cover, man. We need to look at Tesla, and we're getting closer to it. I got sports betting right now, Airbnb, Uber, and then we will get to Tesla. So let's start with sports betting, okay? I know this video has been a little bit funky since the beginning. You know, a little bit of a scratchy voice. And guys, I'm trying to do USA. You know, my day was a little bit rough in the middle. So keep in mind that. Don't be an ass. Sports betting off to smashing start in Illinois. Illinois is off to the fastest start in history of U.S. legal sports betting, according to PlayIllinois.com. Sportsbook in the state generated $305.2 million in bets in September to make Illinois only the fourth state to surpass $300 million in sports bets in a single month and the first to reach the milestone so quickly after launching. Pent-up demand is expected to fuel a new market, but Illinois has been able to capitalize on the additional demand that has been unleashed after sports were shut down this spring. It's been a perfect storm for sportsbook operators, says Play Illinois lead analyst Dustin Gauker. Illinois established its place as the fourth largest sports betting market in the U.S. by more than doubling its monthly handle from $140.1 million in August. And ladies and gentlemen, let's see over here. DraftKings. This is the one that I want to review. Maybe we can review Penn National Gaming, but DraftKings seen having a first mover advantage as sports betting opens up. Needham likes the setup on DraftKings with more U.S. states poised to unlock online gambling. We think new states opening up online sports betting and iGaming represents a rising tide for the industry, and that DraftKings has clear first mover brand and capital advantages. CAC and OSB profitability will remain persistent debate points. We are confident that the company is acquiring customers with a stringent view of ROI and LTV while maintaining, if not increasing, its share in the early markets. Retention remains an open question, but we take DKNG's performance to date in states like New Jersey as the best indicator for success. Previous analyst Brad Erickson on the path ahead. Importantly, he also notes that the company saw shares gains in PA even after certain noteworthy competitors, Barstool, entered the market. Needham has a buy rating on DraftKings as a target, $70. DKNG is the symbol to review. And $70, whoop, papo, this is looking good. Oh, they're adding another target over here, the same target that we had. So Needham, oh, papo, we already had this target. Look at that. $70 is already there to create a higher high. Beautiful. David, how much is it? Well, the first stop I'm looking at 64 is 49%. After that, it's all about 63%. And it's starting to look very, very good, especially on the daily with the rejection that it has created. We need to see a break of a resistance of $45. Yeah, $45, and that will be nice. Okay, guys? From DraftKings. Oh, but David, dude, what else do you want me to say? Go ahead and dislike the video. I don't care. Let me go ahead and paste and go over here. Airbnb IPO filing reveals third quarter revenue drop, $219 million profit. Obviously, having the impact of the pandemic, Airbnb reveals its IPIO prospectus with the expected third quarter decline in revenue and a profit despite the pandemic's pressures. The company plans to trade on the Nasdaq under the ABMB ticker. Airbnb says it is seeking up to $1 billion in the listing, which could be a placeholder figure. Share count and pricing will come in a later update. Revenue was up 32% year-to-date to $4.8 billion in 2019. For the first 9 months of 2020, revenue dropped 32% to $2.5 billion. Net loss for 2019 was $674 million and totaled $697 million for the first 9 months of this year. Last quarter, revenue totaled $1.34 billion with net income of $290 million. Nights and experience bookings increased 31% in 2019 to $250.3 million. In the 9 months ending September 30th, 2020, bookings 41% to $146.9 million. Gross bookings value rose 29% in 2019 to nearly $38 billion. In the first 9 months of 2020, GBV dropped 39% to nearly $18 billion. Adjusted EBITDA dropped from $170.6 million in 2018 to a loss of $253.3 million in 2019. For the 9-month periods, Airbnb reports positive $23.1 million in 2019 and $230.2 million loss this year. The listing includes Class A shares, but the company has 4 classes total. Class A shares have 1 vote each, Class B have 20, Class C carry 0 votes, and Class H have no votes but can convert to Class A shares. With that said, guys, there's nothing for me to review from Airbnb, but what I'll do is that I'm going to take a look over here. Who else is in the chat room, guys? Let me do something real quick. Let me go ahead and leave Bitcoin right now in the background, 16,746. Consolidating right now, my friends. Let's see over here real quick. Who do we got? We got Randy Mitchell. Good to see you, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
Man, oh man, Randy, Green Day. Yeah, buddy. I think we need this one.
Hell yeah!
Man, oh man, doing amazing. And who else do we got? We got Tom Bladeke. Good to see you.
Boom shakalaka!
Boom shakalaka indeed. And Shui Rodriguez.
Boom shakalaka!
Good to see you, my friend. Shui said, I started football at 12:50 through 54. Thank you, Patrick. There you go, Patrick, getting the love. This is why I love doing this video, guys. I love the community. I love that we can have a conversation about it. And then Tom Bladecki, I was 3 weeks off, but Tesla stock is finally moving and blessing you, my friend. Is it doing a
Fatality.
Now we can have the laugh. Good to see you all, my friends. Good to see you all. Hopefully you are doing amazing. But now let's get to Uber. Elon J. Dowse and I have been riding Uber. Not the same Uber all the time, guys. I'm talking about the share from the company. Uber partners with Brazilian payment startup EBANX. So Uber customers in Brazil will now be able to pay through payment startup EBANX, which signed up 60 million users before its full launch today. Hey, who here actually lives in Brazil? Have you heard of EBANX? EBANX allows users to make instant money transfers without having a debit or credit card. Oh, like Venmo. About 1/3 of Brazilians don't have a bank account. EBANX instant payments will initially be limited to the Uber Cash wallet before rolling out to Uber Eats. The rideshare arm of the business isn't participating yet. And Uber, let's see what it has done today in the market. Biggie, can you see? Uber. Ooh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen, doing amazing. I still think that Uber needs to go to 60. We created a higher high. We created a higher low. I think a close of the gap at 47 will be insane. That will be lovely to see. I wouldn't mind seeing that, guys. And let me go ahead and add even a support level. I'm liking this. There's great energy coming from Uber. Great energy. There's great things coming from Uber. And we've been riding Uber since, when was it, man? When was the crash over here? All right, like $20, and right now we are at freaking $49.21. David, do you think tomorrow it will go up? Not necessarily. I think Uber may retrace back down to 47. But if he breaks the resistance of $50, we're going to kick some booty. We're going to see some more upside. 17% ahead. Sign me up, please, my friend. From Uber, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready? Are you ready, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Are you ready, Shuey? Are you ready, Mr. Burns?
Excellent.
Do you think it is excellent to start right now?
Excellent.
Okay. Are you sure we're ready, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Okay. Let's go ahead and review Tesla. Ladies and gentlemen, who is here for Tesla? Let me know right now in the chat room. The members, give me some coins or Hadouken or give me a holy mofongos for Tesla. Let's go ahead and get started with TSLA. Chewies and chewettes. Tesla joining S&P 500. And the shares jump 10%. Doing a
Monster kill.
finally we got some move from Tesla, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla, not even during the day, Tesla has jumped 10% post-market on heavily awaited word that is joining the S&P 500 index. Yes, the company will join the index prior to the open on Monday, December 21st, coinciding with the quarterly rebalance. But due to the size of the addition, S&P Dow Jones Indices is seeking feedback through a consultation to the investment community to determine if Tesla should be added all at once on the rebalance effective date or in two separate tranches ending on the rebalance effective date. And the company is replacing will be named later, S&P says. Updated with an approximate pro forma weight of about 1.01% in the S&P 500, the index committee estimates the funding trade to be $51 billion, one of the largest in S&P history. However, Tesla itself is very liquid, and adding the stock at the upcoming December quarterly rebalancing coincides with the expiration of stock options, stock futures, stock index options, and stock index futures, which may help facilitate the funding trade. S&P Dow Jones Indices says. Let's go and review Tesla. I'm ready for Tesla. Biggie. Can you see that we're ready for Tesla? Ladies and gentlemen, Tesla, look at that. Look at all the things that we had, guys. Okay, keep this in mind. We had a resistance at 451 and 467. We started getting some targets from Dan Ives at 473, Robert W. Bard, 485, Wedbush, 500, Piper Sandler, 510, and David's, actually, I had a target of 521, CFR, 550, and Pierre Ferragu, 578. David's targets, 591, 640, but guys, Tesla on a very strong flag. Where is it after hours? Let's go ahead. Where are the members? Where are the members? Give me some Hadoukens. Give me some coins. Give me some blessings to the channel. Holy mofongo. Holy mofongo, guys. Nah. $461 to the upside. Finally going up and away. Almost 462, guys. 13.15%. Finally, holy mofongo, this is what we were waiting for. Again. Beautiful. Yes, I'm enjoying these gains that we see here every day. 6:30 a.m. Central Time, p.m. Central Time. We do it every day, every day, Ladies and gentlemen, I was in a little bit bad mood. I don't know if you noticed, but now I'm getting happier. Look at that. Getting some gains after hours, guys, and look at that. Making my day a little bit more tolerable. Beautiful upside. Let me enjoy this for 5 seconds, guys. Let me close my eyes. Close your eyes. Everybody say close your eyes. Anyways, it's over. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward. Tesla, doing amazing. What do I need to say? I don't have to say anything else. Even G, you're able to do some Hadoukens, G. Where are your Hadoukens? I love the animals, though. I do love the animals. Animal House, yay for happy. Dude, I don't know where is Elon J. Jordan Dowse. I think he's on a spaceship going to the ISS, to the International Space Station. I think that's where he's at. He already took his Tesla and he's flying away, man. Oh, Jordan. I miss Jordan. I want to see Jordan once again. He was here last week. Anyways, BLNK, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and move forward. I still remember some people were saying, I don't know about BLNK, David. I don't know. But let's review BLNK charging today, ladies and gentlemen. Blink charging. Holy
Monster kill.
ladies and gentlemen, but David, you don't do analysis. You don't do anything of that. Holy mofongo. Guys, then you weren't subscribed to my channel because we've been talking about BLNK since it was at 177, which was my original entry on BLNK, okay? But David, we are looking now. Look at this. Look at this. Hey, hello. Look, Marty. Hey, Marty. Anybody watch Back to the Future? One of my favorite movies ever. 586% is our investment going to the upside. Oh, my goodness. But today alone, my friends, today alone, 22%. It actually went even higher to freaking 25%, guys. Let me know if you capitalize on this opportunity. I did see some of you in the Discord community doing some Hadouken! Blessing us once again. It doesn't matter what universe you are from. We're getting blessed all over the place in this channel, guys. All over the place. Mira para allá, my friend. Looking very, very good. Man, see, this is why I say patience is the name of the game. You know, if I get frustrated, it's because people don't wait. Look, broke the resistance, went back down, retested the trend line, which is basically creating a support, a last kiss, and going away. That's what we did. Simple. I don't even want to complicate it, guys. I don't even want to complicate it, but this stunk actually has been blessing us. What a beautiful day. Happy day. Happy day. Yes, Elon J. Dowse must be in freaking Mars. He's counting his profit over there, right, Chewy? Oh, man. BLNK charging, guys. We said it here. We called it. And what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day indeed. What a blessing. What a blessing. From BLNK, let's move to Fisker. I know some of you have been watching Fisker, FSR. So let's add a stream marker. And Fisker on target with electric SUV plans. Fisker says it completed a key engineering purchasing milestone for the Fisker Ocean SUV in tandem with Magna International. The company says the milestone confirms its ability to hit targets on preliminary specifications and targeted performance on key components and subsystems, as well as timing for all subsequent gateways through the planned start of production in fourth quarter of 2022. With that said, FSR. That's it. So simple. But David, where do you think BLNK will go? Hey. First, 1455. Okay, that's my first target. FSR. Fisker going back down, but today created higher highs, created higher lows. Not bad at all, guys. Even though it's a bearish candle, I still expect Now a little bit of retracement, which can go back to $15.38. I don't mind that. I would like to see that. But what if we break? What if we break, David? Where are we going? If we break the resistance, $21.43, guys. This could be an amazing opportunity for Fisker, and we've been watching it patiently, and it's doing amazing. It's doing great. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. Let's see over here. Chuy Rodriguez. I sold my BLNK for good profit. Beautiful, beautiful. Blessed indeed, my friend. Hadoukens, indeed. Hadouken! Christopher Ainong, welcome to the channel, my
Boom
friend.
shakalaka!
Good day, friends. What a day. I hope you all had a blessed trading day today. I know I did. Tesla. Everybody's partying with Tesla, man. Everybody's enjoying the ride. Good evening. We got Lin Lee
Boom
in the chat
shakalaka!
room as well. And you know what? From Fisker, I got to look at fuel cell, guys. We talked about fuel cell for quite a while. And finally, fuel cell is giving us a move. FCEL. Holy mofongo. Guys, $3.75 breaking the resistance finally to the upside. I think that any retracement will be a blessing, but for me, fuel cell has a lot of room to wiggle. Yes, guys, we can actually go up not only to 25. If we look at the monthly, there is amazing potential to go to 340. Can we get there? I don't know, guys. This is going to be a long shot. This is a penny stock, as you already know. But we know that green energy today, EV stocks made the move. If you haven't noticed, we already been watching that since Biden's win. You know what? We even knew that Biden was going to win because of the chart. Pot stocks were moving. EV stocks were moving. Freaking alternative energy was moving. And guys, we are in the upside. Once Biden hits the office, we're done. We're going to be happy. We're going to be talking about this day. And you're going to be saying, oh my goodness, do you remember when David was crazy? He still is crazy, but he used to be crazy saying that Biden was going to win. But you know what? It wasn't me. It was the charts. That's why I wanted you to tell me what do you thought that we were looking at when we said, when we had that poll regarding the political affiliation, which candidate did you think it was going to be doing well? And I think we have our answer, guys. We already know. And doing amazing, doing amazing. Oh, let me see over here. Lin Lee must be happy as a clam or a lombriz. Haha, sorry I'm late tonight. GP was on fire. Let me do GP right now. Green power, GP. Let me add a stream marker. In green power, ladies and gentlemen, another one.
Monster kill.
Man, if you don't share this channel with your family and friends, then you are a little bit selfish, because we are doing 76% with green power. Finally, we got the move. Moving beautiful. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and move forward from green power to Costco. Ladies and gentlemen, now Costco fires off $10 per share special dividend.
Finish him!
Costco declares a special cash dividend of $10 per share, which will be payable on December 11th to shareholders of record as of the close of business on December 2nd. The aggregate payment will be approximately $4.4 billion. The special dividend will be funded through existing cash. CEO update. Our strong balance sheet allows us to pay this dividend while preserving financial and operational flexibility to continue to grow our business globally. Costco will continue to be in a financial position to take care of our employees, enhance the value of Costco membership, and create shareholder value over the long term. Guys, I wish every company was like this. Costco, oh my goodness, green power, man. We're doing amazing over here. And where are we with Costco? We are at $379.79. Beautiful, beautiful. Costco doing amazing. I still remember the entry that we cut over here, 360s. $379.99 is the current price point. And it looks like it can go to $390. After that, 407, 435, 460s could definitely be blessing us pretty soon, guys. This is looking amazing. It is looking delicious, nutritious, and I wouldn't say to be on a diet because Costco has great food on your way out. And Costco, $379, looking good. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. Genius Brands is the other one. Paste and Go. Yes, guys, weirdly enough, Genius Brands to strategically acquire Costco and Costco BigCommerce Media. Genius Brands International plans for a transformative acquisition of North American-based marketing and media agency Costco. Guys, this sounds so weird. Shui, how do you say this correctly? How do you say this? See, it even sounds horrible when you say it. BigCommerce Media is best-in-class media research, planning, and buying division. I can't say this. Costco is the largest purchaser of children. Oh my God, no! Of children's media across both traditional and digital platforms, representing 30-plus major toy companies and some of the most powerful and iconic brands in the children and family media and toy industries. Our strategy has been to accelerate the growth of Genius Brands through smart and accretive acquisitions. Costco achieves this goal and more by driving revenue and generating immediate synergies and strategic opportunities to enhance the core business of Genius. Chairman and CEO Andy Hayward commented under this transaction, Costco and Costco BigCommerce Media will continue to operate as independent divisions of Genius Brands. Let's see Genius. Let's see what the heck is doing it. Genius Brands, no move for me right now. No confirmation. $1.20. The daily created higher highs, I guess. And the weekly looks a little bit better. If we break, let's say, 160, then it makes sense to me to go up. Right now, it just needs a little bit more of that spiciness or that spice on top, you know? And from Genius Brand, let me check over here. Brandon Morris, welcome back to the channel, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
Let's see. Hola, tried an original strategy today, and I'm up 20%. Woo! I did all the research without any influence from other people. You were right. I am learning. Dude, congratulations for that. My friend, I am very happy. It is called personal finance for a reason, you know. Let's see. Let's continue. I am going to review IBIO, guys. Be patient with me. I'm going to review Beyond Meat. I'm almost done with the news, guys. I want to get out of here really early today, guys. I need to rest. I have not had a great day today. Let me be very honest. But this is the happy face, okay? Beyond Meat to bring 2 new burger products to the market next year. Hey! Beyond Meat unveils 2 new versions of the Beyond Burger, with both expected to launch nationwide in early 2021. Don't go to the taco place that Edwan went. It's going to taste like cardboard. The company is moving toward offering a lineup with more choices. One of the new burger patty products is called the Juiciest Yet. Ooh. Juicy Lucy. The other burger is healthier, with 55% less saturated fat than a typical beef burger. A trifecta of taste, health, and sustainability, the new iterations are designed to meet consumers' growing demand for plant-based proteins that deliver on both taste and nutrition while featuring an enhanced meaty flavor and the craveable taste consumers love with an even better nutritional profile. With that said, BYND, Beyond Meat, Beyond Meat. Okay, enough. We are in a very strong support area, finally creating rejections on the daily, the 4 hour. Hey, not bad. I think we are gonna be going to the upside over here to maybe back to the trend line. 6.8%. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, guys. I think there's great potential for Beyond Meat, even though some meat eaters are not gonna love it. But you know what? Better to eat less cows to have more happy cows. You know, let the cows live free, man. Peace and love for the cows, guys. Peace and love. Anyways, Beyond Meat, very, very oversold. I think there's gonna be opportunities, guys. The weekly is not oversold, but the daily definitely is. So I'm going to keep my eyes on it. From Beyond Meat, let's go to Chipotle. Paste and go. Chipotle lands street high price target from Piper Sandler. Piper Sandler hike his price target on Chipotle to $17.45. Holy mofongo, guys. It's going to keep on going. From $15.14 as it keeps a high level of conviction on the restaurant stock. We believe the company's infrastructure is well positioned to scale in 2020 and beyond, while also positioning the company to effectively utilize the increasing amount of transaction data it is collecting. While any one of these initiatives in isolation may not move the needle, we are certain that in combination they very much reinforce Chipotle's brand equity and long-term potential. Piper's note arrived in this morning before Moderna's vaccine announcement, which has sent some pandemic favorites into retreat. And guys, let's review 1745 over here for Chipotle, CMG. Chipotle, 1260, 1745. Wow, guys, that is insane. We've been riding since 420. Yes, I added 420 as a joke. And it is doing amazing. I mean, what can I tell you, my friend? I mean, we don't do analysis here. We don't do analysis ever. No, we don't. If you are here in this channel, I don't know what you're doing here. I don't know what the heck you're doing here. Are you waiting for me to give you a crystal ball? No, crystal ball is actually on the rising. Shout out to them. Tell them that David and Shuey send a lot of love. And Piper Sandler 1745. How much is that of upside? 37.8%, guys. Not bad at all. Actually doing good, doing delicious, doing nutritious. Let's go ahead and move forward from Chipotle, guys. Let's do it to Tyson. Yes. I don't usually fight. I don't usually like Tyson's chicken. It tastes kind of fake to me, even though it's real chicken. It's weird. Tyson leads select packaged food stocks higher. But you know what? I think most of the chicken that we eat actually is Tyson. Tyson Foods trades higher after better than anticipated beef and pork demand took some of the focus of the COVID-19 cost headwinds. And guys, that's it. I'm just gonna review Tyson. I don't even want to waste time on it. TSN, they do pay dividends. Woo! Break of a trend line, baby. Ooh, baby, I love the way. Every day. Let's go ahead and deactivate and activate the trend lines real quick. Oh, I didn't review NIO. I didn't review NIO. I'm going to review NIO. Don't worry, I'll do it. And if we break the resistance, we're going to go to the upside 41%, which will be lovely to see. And Tyson Foods actually making a move from 64 to 94. I think there is great potential. What do you think about that, Randy? Do you think he's going to be doing good moves?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. Okay, guys, I'm going so fast. I'm almost done with the news. I got, oh my God, still 5 more articles, guys. Coti. Nunca tendré tu amor. Nunca tendré tu amor. Cody, executive chairman, buys $150 million in stock. Exactly, mutant chicken. Exactly, man. Took the words out of my mouth, Chewy. Cody Executive Chairman Peter Harf is boosting his own stake, not stake, but stake in the company, expressing confidence in a rebound for a stock still down 60% year to date.
Oh my.
Harf is buying about $150 million worth of shares from KKR. The shares were issued July 31st. On June 1st, Cody agreed to sell a majority stake in its retail hair care business to KKR in a deal that valued the business at $4.3 billion. That deal is expected to close on November 30th. And guys, Cody, nunca tendré tu amor, nunca tendré tu amor. Holy mofungers! Ooh! Holy mofongo!
Hell yeah!
Apple, I'm gonna tell you, not even BLNK did this move. Not even BLNK or Fubo or any of them combined. Look at this. This is insane. From 328 to freaking 532. Oh, but David, you don't look. Oh, okay. Then, guys, I'm just looking at some ghosts. 90%, guys. Definitely $6.26 is the target. This is doing amazing. And shout out to Coralie Hernandez, which is my cousin. She actually got in on Coti for free. And she is doing great with this stock. I think we are going to be heading to Gennaro's $10 call. Gennaro Di Carlo, where the heck are you, my friend? I think we're going to be getting there, my friend. Starting to look very, very good. What do you think about that, Chewy? Do you agree or what the heck? I appreciate it, Chewy. Chewy, did you hear about the mutant chicken? Does that make sense, right? They're freaking mutant chicken, man. Now let's go ahead and review Berkshire Hathaway. Let's go ahead and add the stream marker. And we talked about it. Berkshire Hathaway loads up on pharma, Trins Bank Holdings. Okay, guys, so we did talk about it very briefly. But Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, not Warren Buffett directly, but Berkshire Hathaway adds onto pharmaceutical holdings with fresh position in AbbVie, which we love. Merck, nice, 22.4 million shares. Bristol Myers, 30 million shares. Pfizer, 3.71 million shares during the third quarter, according to Berkshire's 13F filing. Also adds Snowflake, 6.13 million shares, and T-Mobile US, 2.41 million shares. Teenage Mutant exit Costco. Hey, exit Costco and holding? What? Sheds 36 million of Apple shares, 3.7% of Berkshire's stake. During the quarter, last week, David Kickass said the conglomerate likely sold 4 billion of Apple shares in the quarter. That comes to 4.17 billion when valued at Apple's closing price of 11.81 at September 30th. Reduces stakes in Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, PNC, and M&T Bank. I think they had too much. But guys, before I get to the bio sector, which actually I want to take a look at Snow. Okay, I want to take a look at T-Mobile. So let's do Snow on T-Mobile. I shift shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still an animal. Guys, this is looking good. Support level for Snow. Break of a trend line, definitely looking good. I think there's going to be great potential here. If we break the resistance, that actually will be good. From 240s to go to 305. Let's keep an eye on it. Bullish candle in the 4-hour. Bullish candle on the daily. So it's starting to show us great signs, guys. Break of a trend line will be the confirmation. Okay. So, David, can you review it well? Well, this can happen since TFL has a target. We can go up, we can go down, create a last kiss. After the last kiss, we can retest or break the resistance. That is all. And there's great potential here, guys. Look at this freaking potential for Snow. Okay? 23.9%. It's not bad. Not bad. Let's see. G says, I sold Berkshire $222. Dang, patient is the key. After then, it hit 231. But G, profit is profit. And you know what? Since you're talking about Berkshire Hathaway, actually, wow, 233 G. Yeah. I mean, we've been saying patience is the name of the game, you know. And I think since it already broke the resistance, this is going to go up. This is going to go up to 250s. Telling you guys. I've been saying the same thing all the time. Patience is the name of the game. Wait for confirmations. Wait for this. Wait for that. You saw that on Football TV. We didn't get in a freaking 18 or 19. No, we waited for the pullback and got in at 16, man. And now it's at freaking 18, which is insane. We re-entered because my original entries is at $10. Shout out to Patrick Ciaretta. But guys, Berkshire looks very, very interesting to me. And now I want to go ahead and move forward. I just want to get rid of all of my news first, guys. IBIO. This is the time to review IBIO. Okay? I too sell off too soon many times. Hey, the important thing, the profit is profit. Keep that in mind. No fear of missing out. Okay? IBIO. EPS beats by 0.03. Beats on revenue. IBIO FQ1 GAAP EPS of negative 0.05. Beats by 0.03. Revenue of 0.41. 272% higher. Beats by 0.31. Cash and investments in securities of around 83.5 million. Let's review IBIO. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Is that it? Well, 205 was today's close. It was looking better. IBIO after IBIO after hours. After hours, $1.62. So we are actually down. The earnings, always impacting the earnings. 162, guys. Taking us down once again. Man, and we actually went up to $2, but we're going back to the support level. I want to see tomorrow's candle open. Right now, IBIO, still great potential, but not there yet. Not there yet. As I said, I want to see $262 break. And after that, it can be significant. But for now, we are down. And we'll keep an eye on it. Okay? If we go lower to 140.6713, guys, then that is it. The penny stock is still a penny stock. And then Co-Diagnostics. Codex. Co-Diagnostics EPS misses by 0.10, misses on revenue. Co-Diagnostics third quarter GAAP EPS of 0.53, misses by 0.10. Revenue of $21.82 million, misses by 10.98 million. And after hours, negative 13.9% for Codex. Co-Diagnostics, wow, negative 13%, almost negative 14%, guys. Boom. Look, even back to this. I mean, guys, I don't want to do the video anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do the videos anymore. We're doing amazing. I should stop doing the videos, guys. I don't know. You guys already have all the secret sources, you know? We already expected Co-Diagnostics to go down a little bit more. It's not the end of the week. It's a good start, though, because we're getting liquidity, okay? Co-Diagnostics, if we break the resistance, it can definitely go higher. But we are not. So creating a support is ideal. Let's move forward. Alterity, the big. Guys, we talked about this one. Wow, I think a few months ago. But David, I don't want to get into something that takes a little bit of time. Well, Alterity Therapeutics naps U.S. patent for compounds for neurodegenerative disorders. Yes, this is one of those articles that I'm going to mess up some words. Alterity Therapeutic source, 135%?
Monster kill.
Keep in mind, this was a penny stock. After it has Collard U.S. patent for its next generation compounds that are designed to assist in treating Parkinson's and Alzheimer's as well as other neurodegenerative conditions. The patent covers more than 150 novel pharmaceutical compositions that redistribute the labile iron which is associated with these diseases. It was filed in March and underwent prioritized examination by the USPTO. Offers authority 20 years of exclusivity, holy mofongo, for its technology and supports the company's portfolio, including lead compound ATH-434, which is undergoing evaluation as a therapeutic for Parkinsonian disorder, multiple system atrophy, a neurodegenerative disorder with similar motor symptoms to Parkinson's disease, resulting in loss of ability to coordinate voluntary movements. The company has begun enrolling MSA patients for BioMuse trial, and information from the study will be used to plan the phase 2 trial, which is scheduled for mid-2021. With that, ATHE, Alterity Therapeutics. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, look at that move. Bam! 150, and it actually went up 216%. Guys, what does it mean in the short time frame that we can actually go down once again to 160s or 130s? If we want to go ahead and retest $5, that will be fine. I will be feliz como una lombriz. I actually got some positions, guys, a long time ago. I was waiting for this to happen, and it did. From 120. Guys, I don't know about you, but I think I should stop doing the videos. We're getting too many good trades here. We to get too many good investments. I don't know. Maybe there's another YouTuber that does it better. Maybe they have a little bit of more information. Tilray is the next one for me. Tilray slips after Jefferies warns on international question marks. Jefferies cools on Tilray with a downgrade to an underperform rating after having the cannabis stock set at hold. The firm has concerns over valuation after the recent share price run-up. At the same time, not reflecting fundamentals, the share price has run up on retail U.S. market FOMO around the U.S. election. With question marks on international, the valuation unfairly inflated, and CEO shares sales of $20 million on election run-up. We DG to underperform. We've always argued the Tilray thesis is largely tied to the international outlook, where Tilray is seemingly set up to do very well when international markets accelerate. And shares are down 1.44 in pre-market action. Aurora Cannabis was also cut at Jefferies, which noted that recent re-rating in the stock price was unjustified. Shares have more than doubled from their levels in early November. TLRY is the symbol. Tilray to the downside. After the 200 EMA, we expected this, guys. I mean, what else do I need to say? I mean, we said that you could go to $7 again. It freaking did it. But you know what? I don't have a crystal ball. Whatever, dude. Let me just go ahead and add a trend line. 4 hour. Looking good. About the 200 EMAs, looking good. I mean, let it do its thing. Let it cook. From Tilray ACB, if you have lost money from Aurora Cannabis, I highly suggest disliking this video right now. It's like doing a Kamehameha, guys. In today's mood, I think that you should definitely go ahead and dislike this video. I don't care. I really don't. If you like the video, like the video. It will give you superpowers. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Sure. You can. The Rock wants to send a message to all the haters.
Put a little icy hot on it, turn it sideways, and take it straight up your candy ass.
And that goes for those who are asking for free things. Right, Chewy? And from Tilray and Aurora, from Tilray, Aurora Cannabis, $6.80. Guys, we reached that 200 EMA. Boom. Rejection, downside, going back to where we expected. $6.80 exactly. We were expecting this retracement, but with many of the cannabis sector, guys, we actually expected the retracement because, how can I put this? Patience is the name of the game, guys. Do you think that we're going to legalize all the states at once right now? No. Trump is freaking president still, man. We have a freaking Senate full of Republicans, and we have a House of Representatives full of Democrats. Holy mofongo, guys. Get that in your headset. Play that 20 times because that's why it requires patience. It's not something that's going to go up tomorrow, guys. It requires a lot of patience. The only one that I'm seeing over here that it looks a little bit better is Chronos. $7.12 looks good. I think that we're going to have a great potential opportunity. Cinerba, the vision is all good for me. I think there's going to be some more upside. And even Afria, guys, APHA, which is one of those that I've been waiting for quite a while. $5.80 finally going to the upside as well. Break of a trend line definitely required. But see, that is why we need to wait. And now, Patrick, maybe you don't want to hear this one. We're going to, after these two, Patrick, don't look at this one, okay? We're going to do CLDR and we're going to do SDC. But Patrick, cover your eyes, cover your ears. If you want, I'll send you a Discord message. But we're going to review Nano Dimension and Nano X, guys. So Nano Dimension, NNDM. First of all, let's see if there's any article. But David, why are you doing this? Well, because, I just want to do it. There's a lot of people asking about it. So no new article about it. We know that they had some earnings. And Nano Dimension. Mira para allá, bro. But David, you don't do analysis. Okay. Look at that. Trend line doing amazing. Bullish candle on the daily. Very, very good. On the weekly. Guys, but David, you don't do analysis. Look at this potential over here. Papo, 288%. I'm going to keep an eye on this. In Nano Dimension, right now starting to become a little bit more bullish. The Wall Street average is $6. And after that, it can definitely continue pushing higher, guys. Okay, definitely keeping an eye on this. And from Nano Dimension, guys, I'm going to get a drink while you do that. And I still haven't seen the Teenage Mutant Chicken. Teenage Mutant Ninja Chicken. Ladies and gentlemen, now from Nano Dimension, we're gonna do Nano X. Oh, but David, you don't take things seriously. Oh, man. Go ahead and take a shower. Nano X. Look at that. Go ahead and get your drink, Patrick. Nano X, $38.43, breaking the trend line. Definitely looking for that $45 level. Hey, does it have anything? Oh, in Nano X? Nano X? No article. We're doing great. We're doing amazing. I mean, I'm still waiting for their presentation, which actually... Where is it? Weren't they going to be showing off something on November? I think it's very close. I think it's coming out soon, guys. Let me see if there's any article here. Nope. Nothing over here, guys. But Nano X, there is great potential. I'm going to keep an eye on it, my friend. Patrick, we're done. Do you have your drink in your hand? Because now we're going to review CLDR. Okay? CLDR, let's make sure that we review if they had an article or something. CLDR. Cloudera, Pablo. Cloudera, we've been talking about this one. The event was canceled? No, Patrick, come on. You're bullying over here. You're starting to sound like Chewy. Let's see Cloudera, CLDR. I actually like Cloudera. I think we reviewed it, I don't even know, a long time ago, dude. In Cloudera, Papo, looking delicious. Another one for the cloud services. Yeah, we reviewed this one a long time ago. And I think there's great potential to go back to 14. But at the end of the month, I think we can go back to, not at the end of the month, but I think we can go back to $23. Requires patience, but the weekly is starting to look good. The daily is starting to look very, very good. And I think there is great opportunities here. Patrick, another one for the record book. Is that it? I think it is. I think it's getting ready. And then to finish up this video, SDC, ladies and gentlemen. SDC over here. Small Direct Club. We were expecting the trendline retest. Look at that, guys. He freaking did it. See, I don't have to do the videos anymore, guys. You already have all the formulas. You have all the strategies. And that's it. That's it. I don't have to do the videos anymore. I think that I have accomplished my journey as a YouTuber in the financial sector. Because, guys, look at this. We already expected a little bit of downside, you know. Patrick says, I hope so. I think CLDR is ready to rip. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Small Direct Club, 996. Let's see what we got over here. SDC. I think Jordan Dowes was looking at this one. 957. So we're down. Still on the trend line? I think so. I think so. 957. Yep, on the trend line. And let me get back to CLDR, Patrick, because I did review it, but let me see if there's any targets that we can. I mean, we're looking at 23, right? But let's see in the future. The future. Back to the future. Let's see. Okay. Adding some lines at 28, maybe even 34. And after that, we can even go to 53. Looking good. Guys, there you go. I think we're good. I think we're doing good. Cloudletter looks very, very nice. And guys, let me know if you have kicked some booty in the chat room or in the comment section. I'm gonna turn off this light, guys. I feel a little bit, different today. I don't want to transmit that energy. That's why I'm trying to make it as happy as possible. Every day we have some different things in our daily life. And we got some people that are always asking for free things, right, Randy? But
Oh, yeah!
no. Nothing is for free, my friend. The only thing for free is you subscribing to the channel, ringing the bell, hitting the like button. Yes, that's the way you can support this channel. We do this every day, and we do it for free. We do it with a lot of love. I want to spread the message to everybody. Spread the message of love and spread the message of David, D-E-I-V-E-D. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Best Bubblegum on Instagram. We got to pop pretty soon, and I am glad that we're going to be popping out pretty soon as well. And guys, I do this video with a lot of love. I'm going to be very honest. Even though I have some bad days, I mean, it wasn't a bad day in the market, guys. Obviously, the market blessed me, but it's other personal things, And I am very honest with all of you. I share my emotions, and I hope that you understand that even though when I have my tough times, I see it as an obstacle. I jump through it, and let's go to the next thing. We do this every day. I really appreciate you all. I want to see you. Thank you very much, Patrick Cianetta. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. There's nothing for free. I agree. Nothing is for free, G. I agree. Why do I say that? Because even though I do the videos for free, you guys got to sit down and do your trading plan. You got to realize that you need to think about your risk and your reward. Where am I going with this investment? Am I going for the long term? Is it a drip strategy like AT&T or Coca-Cola? Am I putting little by little for it to grow? Or am I just going to be a scalper? It really depends on your trading strategy. And ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you are doing great. Thank you very much. G, finally doing some Hadoukens. Brandon saying, have a better day, David. Every single color comes from the same light. I agree, my friend. Thank you very much. No, you guys are the best. You guys are the very best. I'm going to be very honest. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be even here, guys. When I have a tough day, I cry or drink and go to bed right away. Hey, maybe that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, keep on kicking booty. And as always, have a beautiful evening.
Fatality.
Finish him.